Part 2, no offense. Ooh, cleaning my fidget. Okay, I see you when the emojis are done. Okay, let me just. Okay. She's a devil in the sky. She's perfect with her devil eyes. She's a devil in the sky. She's a devil in her eyes. You know she loves to be recognized. She's a devil in the sky. She's a perfect, you know why. You know why she's a devil in any way. She sold her heart in 17. She become the queen. Let's go back to our spot. Let's go back to our spot. You know that's kind of sus, you know, bro. Among Us. I bet you can say Among Us, but add an S in the us. Amongst us. I don't know. It's hard. It's not easy. Amongst us. I don't know. It's hard. Comment and don't lie. Comment yes if you can say amongst us or something like that, and just comment no if you can do it. It's pretty hard. I bet nobody can even say that. Amongst us, not like that. Like really fast. Among us. Oh, amongst us. It's not how you say it. It's like amongst something like that. I don't know. Don't blame me. I don't know everything, bro. Bro, just flip on your head. You're a devil in the sky. She's a killer queen of light. Hey, she's a killer queen of light. She's perfect with eyes. She's blind with science. You know that's right. Hey, you almost dropped my croissant, my guy. Hey, yo, wait, that kind of sound. We cannot say that word on YouTube, you know. It starts with the H. We're not gonna say it. We're not gonna get like like kicked out of YouTube or whatever. Yeah, no offense. I don't like to say that word. Let me put in a small emoji. Hey, yo, what the heck? That counts. Hey, you almost dropped my croissant, my guy. I do my own. Hey, you almost dropped my croissant. Oh no! Oh my god. My cringy stuff, my cringy voice. Oh no! That sounds like a ghost. Oh no! Oh no! My table! It's broken! Okay, that kind of sounded like the guy. Okay, not really. Kind of like, who votes for Messi? I do. Cristiano Ronaldo already lost, but if you still vote for Cristiano Ronaldo or Messi, that's fine. I really don't care. They play football. Well, soccer, but, you know what I mean by football. They're devil in the skies. They have perfect devil eyes. Cause everyone, you know it. Hey, yo, that's huh? That's why I smile. I'm not gonna say that word. You know what that stands for. I was gonna say it. No, I'm not saying that word. It kind of sounds so. Don't blow my. No, the crustiest part about my channel is your face. And that's good. Cause when you're ugly, you're better when you're ugly. But when you're pretty, you're like terrifying when you're pretty. Like, no offense. Just gonna, yeah, nobody likes you. She's a day. Men, when people see this, I need to grab him and me. Get out of my face. I'll punch you in your nuts. Bye. Cut. Yeah. we're we're gonna play the pump and swing because like I'm not home my car. Hey ladies. Actually, I have another bin to put my poppy bracelets, so I'll just put them in there. Let me see if I can make one. Hey yo, make one in where? In my life. Hey yo, she kinda fun. Hey yo. I guess I'm not Kobe Bryant after all. How? Oh, I think I broke something. I think it was my bones. Hey yo. Wow. Huh? Did I make that? Oh la la. Trash. And trash. You look like ashes. Someone's boyfriend cheated on the girl, right? Okay, she was so mad that she threw his grandma's ashes in ocean or pool, whatever. And then she went to jail. So that's just great for her. Actually, she kind of deserves it. No offense, because like who would throw someone's grandma's ashes or mom's ashes in the pool or whatever? Like no one will do that. Like only people that are devils. I'm a Christian. That's why so many people like Cristiano Ronaldo, because there's Christian in his name, and he's Christian. Well, I don't think everyone is Christian. If you don't know what Christian means, it means like you love God and stuff. I think, right? I don't know. I don't. Okay. It's not my fault. My finger, I went like this, and I don't know how I just do it, right? I magically just. I gotta be Kobe Bryant, cause I know we gotta be stopping the cap. I just threw it immediately, bro. Okay, you gotta see. No, ball. That went a little too far. Like why did I? Can someone tell me why I said ball? That's amazing. I guess I'm not Kobe Bryant. Okay. Well, I never will be him because he's him. You know that guy that pulls up his shirt and pulls his tongue out and is wearing a green shirt? I'll never be him. Well, yeah, though. I don't want to be him. I mean, no. Like, is it the girl? I watched the full video. It's like, no, not the full. It was like a short, but. She's a devil in disguise. You know she has perfect lies. I just threw that in your eyes. And I have perfect goodbyes. And there's not a stop to cap to be lying with an app. You know that kind of sounds like a rap. And that is kind of like no laps. Hey, yo, no caps. I mean, no caps. No laps. Hey, yo, wait, the heck do I mean by that? Filter on TikTok. Be like, what am I doing? Man, what do I do with my life? I do Joe Mama. I think they should have did Yo Mama because Yo Mama makes sense, not Joe Mama. Yo Mama's so ugly, not Joe Mama. I mean, Joe means like fat or something. If your name is Joe, Who are you? What is it? Hey, yo. Like, who are you? Like, what who? Okay, no. I'm not trying to be rude. There's no way. Okay, now I call my squishies, by the way. No, it was like a long time ago. But I put it all in this bin. You guys want to see? Yeah, I was trying to cut this one, but it's still alive, I guess. No, I think it has, yeah, it has a hole. Ew. It's so crusty. Ew. I'm washing my hands after this. It smells bad, like really bad, like horribly bad, like disgusting. Psych, it doesn't smell like nothing. It's just like, it's like a no thanks to me, because no offense, like who would, okay, no. Okay, let's pop it. Look what I found. Rocky tracks up your butt crack. What's up, butt crack? What's up? Okay, we're not saying that word. Look how many fidgets I got. Let's go bring these to the park. No, where's a bee? Hey, yo. We're like D, homo. Oh, she's a devil up your mom. She's a stupid, no. Whoa. Oh. Ew. Oh. She's a devil in the sky. She kind of looks like high above, you know. You know what word? I'm not thinking of the word you might think I'm about to say. Okay. Oh, crap. I'm allowed to say crap. I'm about to crap myself. Oh, I just landed this in here. Guys, I gotta be the next culprit, you know. So you smell like poo. I don't mean you, because you smell really bad. Yeah, you don't smell like poo, you smell like diarrhea. Ooh. Snipe. Pike, I know nothing about you. And it's off limits, true. But I thought I cut you. I thought I cut this one. Well, that's good. I didn't cut it.